Hey everybody, this is Seth from 62 Sales, and one of the service functions we perform pretty frequently here at the shop is suspension and bearing work. And one of the things I wanted to point out today is how suspension can just get wore out over time. And one of the things you want to keep an eye on is make sure that your tires are not rubbing up into the fender wells. If that is happening, that means that your leaf springs are starting to wear out. Now on this coach you can see that these are the old springs. We've already pulled them off. They actually have 4 leaves. Don't have a lot of bow or a lot of contour left in them because they're so old and worn. And what we're doing is we're actually beefing up the suspension, and we're replacing these old worn out guys with a 6-leaf leaf spring. It's going to give the customer more clearance and really more life in their camper. So it's important to always keep your maintenance up on your camper, especially when you're out on the road. Last thing you want to do is end up on the side of the road during one of your camping trips, especially when you got the family along. So if you need any type of suspension work, bearing repacks to get ready for the camping season, give us a call here at 62 Sales. So we just finished up our leaf spring replacement on this coach, and the reason we did it is because the old leaf springs, these springs, were just wore out and it was causing the tires to rub up in the inner fender well. So what we did is we replaced them with some 6-leaf springs versus just 4 leaves, just to beef up the suspension, avoid the tires from rubbing in the wheel well. Again, a lot of the repair work we do here at 62 Sales is suspension related, bearing repacks, preventative maintenance, and even collision repairs. So if you find yourself in a situation where you're having to call the insurance company, maybe it's hail damage, maybe it's a branch, or just an accident, give us a ring here at 62 Sales, and we have a fully staffed, fully functional service department. We can get you in and out in a breeze. And remember, lower overhead equals lower prices here at 62.